Good morning. Okay, so yesterday we left at the topic rhyming scheme, and I told you I'll be telling that what is rhyming scheme and how to identify it, whether the poem has rhyming scheme or not. So this would be our today's topic, to find out whether a particular poem has a rhyming scheme or not. So, yesterday we left at this question: does the poem A House, a Home have rhyming scheme? Give its rhyming scheme if any. अगर है तो क्या है? Okay, so let's see. Do you remember the nursery rhymes? Let's see the first example. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. So that was you used to see, huh? Sing like that. Okay, so look, what is rhyming scheme? Rhyming scheme is the repeated pattern of rhyme, like rhyming pairs. Okay, if there is some rhyming in that poem and that pattern is repeated, that poem is considered to have some rhyming scheme. Now look here before you understand it properly. How to identify rhyming scheme? A rhyming scheme is always represented in letters A, B, C, and so on. Right? So let's see, does the first example, Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, has a rhyme scheme or not? Now it's first, before we look for the rhyming scheme, just see how long the rhyme is. It's just a 4-line rhyme and no other stanza. Only one stanza with 4 lines. So let's see, if it is the poem only, the shortest one, what is its rhyming scheme? So whenever we are finding rhyming scheme, the first line is always represented with letter A. Okay, because it is the first line, we give it the letter A. Now read it. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. What is their end syllable? R. Star. R. Now, how I wonder what you are. Now, this R and this is having the same rhyming pattern, like the same similar sounds, the rhyming pairs, the same stressed syllable, like twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. The same sound. So because this sound is repeated, and earlier I have given this line letter A, so because the sound is repeating, the second line will also have the letter A. Okay, now for 2 lines we know how to represent. Look at the third one. Up above the world so high. Now high is not matching star or your. It is something different. Now what is the next letter of ABC? It's B. So because it's different, not matching to any of the above lines, I call it B. Now, like a diamond in the sky. The sky again, high sky, similar end syllable. Similar end syllable, that is rhyming pair. So having the same. Now this is matching this. So because I have earlier called this B, so I will be calling it B. So yes, this little nursery rhyme has a rhyming scheme, and the rhyming scheme is A B B. Right? Now look at the next example. Again I'm taking a small nursery rhyme, which is again only a 4-line poem. But see, what is the rhyming scheme of this? As I earlier told, first line, without any thought, just call it A. Simple, just call it A. Now check whether the second line matches the first or not. Let's check it. Mary had a little lamb, its fleece as white as snow. Now B, O, not matching. So I need to call it letter B because it's not matching. So it is B. And everywhere that Mary went, Again, here there is no match with lamb, snow, went is separate, so I will call it C, because I didn't find any similarity in the end syllable word. Now look at the last line. The lamb was sure to go. Now go, match with lamb. Lamb and go? No, not same. I can't call it A. Go and snow. Yes, O. O. Its fleece as white as snow. The lamb was sure to go. O. O. End syllable is same. So what is the name I have given to this line? B. So it is matching, the fourth line is matching the second line, and I called the second B, so I will call it B. So what is the rhyming scheme of this poem? The rhyming scheme of this second example poem is A, B, C, B. Understood? Now look at the third example for more clarity. Now I have taken a 2-stanza poem. Earlier the poems were only single stanza. Now I have taken 2-stanza poem. Let's see what is the rhyming scheme of this. As I earlier told, without a thought, call it A. First line, A. What we are doing? We are finding rhyming scheme. Okay? So whenever we are finding rhyming scheme, the first line, letter A. Now look. The fallen leaves are cornflakes that fill the lawn's white dish. Not matching? Call it B. And night and noon. Not matching to either this or this. So call it C. That wins a spoon. Noon, spoon. Un. Sound is similar. So because I've called it C, I will call it also C. That stirs them with a swish. Dish, swish. Same sound. Because I've called it B, so we'll call it B. Now, this is not the end of the poem. End poem is 2 stanza long. Right? 2 stanza long means like we have a second stanza to go on. Let's see the both stanzas together. Okay, now see, the sky is a silver sifter, a sifting white as slow. If I consider it separate, like it's A. Let's see, first we took it in separation. A. Now slow not matching. B. Shakes not matching. C. Shakes, flakes. Matching. C. Slow, snow. So I called it B. Now C. A, B, C, C, B. A, B, C, C, B. Both the stanza are following a pattern of repetition of sounds. Sounds are repeated in a pattern. Right? Similar sound. In the third and fourth line here, noon and spoon. Similar sound. Similarly in the second stanza, shakes and flakes, similar sound. So whoever has written this poem, the poet has maintained a pattern, similar pattern of lines in each stanza. So again, this poem also has a rhyming scheme. And what is that? It is because this pattern is repeating, so we'll not write A, B, C, C, B, A, B, C, C, B. We'll just write it one time. A, B, C, C, B. So this is the rhyming pattern for the third example poem. So I believe by now you have understood rhyming scheme, a repeated pattern of certain rhyming pairs. When the poet has arranged the lines in some repeating pattern of rhyme. That is rhyming scheme. And how to find it out? You have to use the ABC letters, and to first line you have to say A, and if it is matching, just you need to keep watching which line does it match. If it matches with something, use the same letter, otherwise use the next letter. Okay, so now the same question, does the poem A House, a Home have rhyming scheme or not? So let's quickly look at the rhyming scheme or not. Now this is a 2 stanza poem. So, and see, and even the stanza 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 lines. You normally there are even lines, no? So now what is house? Let's call it A. It's brick and stone, call it B. And wood that's hard, call it C. Some window glass, call it D. And perhaps a yard. Now, yard and hard, we have called it C, so we'll call it C again. It's eaves and chimneys, not matching anything. So, I have to see D tak मैं use कर चुकी हूँ. I've used it up to D, so I'll use it E. And tiles and floors, again not matching with anything, so I'll call it F. And stucco and roof, again not matching any, and F tak I have already used the letter. The next letter after F is G. And lots of doors. Now floors and doors matching, I have called it F, so I will call this also F. Now see, if I see, it is a 9-line stanza and it is A, B, C, D, C, E, F, G, F. It's a long one, no? It's not properly rhymed. But yes, it is having the similar pattern. This is the whole rhyming scheme. Look at the second stanza. What is a home? Call it A. It's loving and family, not matching, B. And doing for others, not matching either first or second, so call it C. It's brothers and sisters, not matching any, call it D. And fathers and mothers, now others, mothers, so call it C. It's matching the third line. So third line I have already named C, so this will be C. Now it's selfish acts, not matching any of the above line, so D ke baad E. Now and caring is sharing, F. And showing your loved one, G. Sharing, caring, we called it F, so it's F. Now see, again the second stanza follows the same pattern, A, B, C, D, C, E, F, G, F. If we say this is a, though it's not a proper rhyming followed, but yes, the pattern is being followed, so it's a whole long rhyming scheme. This is A, B, C, D, C, E, F, G, F. So that's way we find a rhyming scheme of any poem. A house, a home has this pattern of repetition. So that was an end. I will be sending today the back exercise, questions and answers. Kindly note it down in your copies. Okay? And do revise rhyming scheme. Thank you. Have a nice day.